Hi there folks, it's Jonathan Dinwood here from WP-Tonic, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how do you sell online courses from your own website. What are the choices, what are some of the main things you need to know that will help you in your decision? And it's a really important subject, and I will be back in a few moments, folks. I'm coming back, folks. So what are some of the most important things you need to know about selling your courses on your own website? Now, why should you consider it? There are other platforms, like you can sell membership on YouTube, but what are some of the real benefits of selling your courses on your own website? Well, it's all around control. You know, there's a load of YouTube channels that for some reason have been banned on YouTube, and the same will apply on Facebook, whatever. And it could be for something that you never even thought about, having some videos that have some music that you thought you had the copyright to, then suddenly you haven't. The list of reasons why other platforms might ban your content or restrict it are endless. So they're great platforms to promote your courses, but if you're really serious about actually building a business for yourself and your family, I would strongly advise you to have the courses on your own website. It's all about control, baby. So when it comes to your own website, there are two buckets that you've got to understand. There's the kind of full SaaS solution. A really great example of this is Kajabi. It's fully managed hosting combined with an app. Recently, they've added community elements to their main platform. They bought another startup, and they're combining that, so it becomes more of a competitor to something like Mighty Networks, or Circles, which is two of the main kind of community-focused membership stroke websites, SaaS solutions. So now you've got three. Kajabi, I would say, if you're looking for all-embracing solution that has credibility, it is one of the main players. And one of the strengths of Mighty Networks is that you can get an app. At the present moment, you can't get that with Kajabi, but I'm sure they're working on it as I talk, basically. So Kajabi is a great solution, not that particularly cheap, but in some ways you get what you pay for. But the main thing is the diminished lack of ownership. It's better than selling your membership subscriptions for YouTube. It's a step forward, but you still don't have full ownership or maximum ownership with these type of SaaS platforms. Secondly, if you do outgrow them, it's a nightmare to get off the platform. They provide absolutely no assistance or tools to help you get off them because they don't want that. And the costs, they tend to nickel and dime you excessively. It's about getting as much money out of you as possible. Obviously, in the early days, it doesn't matter, but as soon as you build any kind of traction or build a real business, you find the costs accelerate very rapidly on these platforms. And like I say, it's very expensive then to get off. We do offer at WP-Tonic some solutions that are affordable to allow you to get out of their evil clutches upon the saintly platform that WordPress is. So that's a good lead into what the second bucket is, which is you host on WordPress. WordPress runs almost between 43 and 45 of all websites on the internet. It's the most it's the platform that gives you the most ownership of your own business online. There's some great learning management system plugins like LifterLMS or LearnDash and BuddyBoss, which is the community-focused solution on WordPress. These three solutions really work fantastic together. So you can have the learning management section run by either LearnDash or Lifter, and then have the community side run by BuddyBoss. We provide all the leading tools at WP-Tonic, I like to point out, as well as part of our hosting packages. Plus, the breadth, you're not confined, you never hit a brick wall, and the costs are stable. You don't get penalised by having a successful membership website. The opposite, the costs go down, not up all the time. Another thing is video hosting. Kajabi does provide that, but it's expensive. The others, you normally have to find another solution. Video hosting, depending on how much video you'll have on your membership website, can become a very heavy cost. With the solution at WP-Tonic, we provide a solution that's about 1/5 the cost of the leading video hosting provider, which is Vimeo. It's a fabulous setup we can help you with that really cuts your bill light to 1/5 of what something like Vimeo would cost you, and it works really sweetly with WordPress. So I'm just giving you some quick insights. I've written a more detailed article post. You'll find the link in the supported description of this video. If you found this video really useful, please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. Got any questions, I'm here to answer them, and ring the bell so when the next video, and I'm posting videos every week, loads of content, so click the bell and you'll be told when the next video comes up. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.